All right, we're back on Down Outdoor Adventures, getting ready to fillet a few crappie. I got a friend of mine, Bob, out of Kansas City, wanted me to show him a few tricks of the trade on how to fillet these crappie here. And let me see if I can do it right without cutting them in half like I did the last time. So here we go. Make sure I get a good close up. Try to get close up on him. All right. You always want to wear gloves. As you can see, I do all the time when I do any kind of fish or wild game. So let's see if these little blades will work out for me. Lift that fin up. Just go in there like that. Come across. Just wiggle it on down that backbone. Flip it. And then just go to town with it. I'm gonna stack these pieces up. Like I said, nice white meat, pretty meat. Look at that. You got a little egg sac going. This is early winter. By spring and March, April, they'll be filling up with eggs. So we're gonna set it over here. We're gonna get a pile up and going, so we can move right along with it. That's how we do it. Like I said, get that fin up, come down, and just work that. Keep that blade up against that dorsal fin up top. Flip it over. There you have it. You know you're doing it right when you can almost see through that body there. Ain't no meat left on it. Might have a little bit up there, but we'll let that slide. Like I said, get that dorsal fin up, that side fin up, cut down, come back around, go across. Just ride that backbone like that. Flip it over. Nice, pretty meat. Fresh, fresh. Can't get this in no store. Ride that skin. Comes right off. Just like that. Like I said, get that next one. Just ride that back. Flip it. A lot of people talk about Mr. Whisker. What is it? Mr. Twister. That's the fillet knife I'm using. I've been using them for years. There's a green one. This is a saltwater version of it. Using about an 8-inch blade. I don't have no problem with them. You gotta replace the blades. You gotta buy blades on all of them, but like I said, this is for the money. It's not too expensive, and it gets the job done. There you go, just like that. Mr. Twister, saltwater version. And they run probably, I think, about 25 to 30, somewhere in there, I think they run. But like I said, I've been using them for a while, and I don't have no trouble with them. Like I said, just get that, lift that gill plate up, and just come down. There we go. Have it. Sometimes these old blades will get a little stuff in them. Just wipe them off or wash them with water, and you can keep on rolling. Like I said, I've been doing this for a little while. I know a little bit about it. And once in a while I might mess up, but for the most part I get it done. Like I said, there you have it. That's about all of my fillet right now. Then I'm gonna get busy with the rest of them, but that's how we do it. Nice, clean, white fillets. Like I said, I got a little happy on that one, but that happens. But there you have it. And I still got a bucket left to go. All right. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Get out of this cold weather, get in the house, give me some coffee or hot chocolate. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Yes, sir.